As promised, let's go ahead and do the BOHR model for nitrogen and some of the other elements. Nitrogen has 14 for the mass and 7 for the atomic number, which means the protons are 7 and the electrons in a neutral atom are 7 as well. Here are 7 protons, 7 neutrons. Neutrons are 7 because 14 minus 7 is 7. Electrons are 2. And then let's go ahead and place the rest of the electrons that are left. How many are left? 5. 1, 2. Here we go. And then pairing them up. Total, we have 7 dots. All right, remember the first circle only gets 2 electrons or 2 dots. Let's do oxygen. The atomic number of oxygen is 8 and the mass is 16. Your protons for oxygen are 8, electrons are 8, neutrons are 16 minus 8, which is 8. Here's the BOHR model. You're going to put 8 protons and 8 neutrons. And as I'm going around, I'm drawing the circles. 1, 2. All right. And then you have a total of 8 electrons that we need to place. So I need to put a total of 8 dots. All right, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 dots, okay? The next one is fluorine. It's got 19 for the mass and 9. So the neutrons are 19 minus 9 is 10. Protons are 9. Electrons are 9. Here's the first circle. 9 protons. 10 neutrons. That's a 10. And then the first circle, as always, is going to get 2 electrons. And I have to place total of 9 dots. If I place 2 here, 7 dots are left, or 7 electrons. And notice how I'm pairing them up. Okay, so I placed how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 7 and then 8 and 9. All right, so 9 dots have been placed. Okay, the next one is neon. I'm gonna do neon here. The mass of neon is 20.18. I'm just gonna put 20. Remember, you're supposed to round it down or round it up. The neutrons are going to be 20 minus 10, which is 10. Protons are 10. Electrons are 10. Now let's go ahead and do our BOHR model. You're gonna put 10 for the protons and 10 for the neutrons. And here's your first circle. 2 dots, second circle. Sorry, it's kind of getting closer to that, but here we go. Notice how I'm staggering the dots because they have same charge, okay? We need to place 10 dots for 10 electrons. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is BOHR model for neon. One thing I want to show you now that we have finished up to neon is that as you go down in the periodic table, you go from one period. This right here is period 1 as you're going across. These are called periods, period 2, period 3, period 4. As you keep going down, the circle keeps increasing, okay? In the first video that we did on BOHR model, hydrogen only had 1 circle around it, okay? As you keep going down on these period, that's how many circles they're gonna get for electron placement. So sodium BOHR model is going to get 3 circle because it's in period 3. Okay, and on the next video we will talk about that. Thank you for watching.